What is up, you guys? It's your boy Taxi on the lens. We're back at it again with yet another one, man. So you liked the pink?
Well, let me see it. Oh, because there was this one that I was like, whoa, what was that? Okay, that might be it. What were the other ones? I think it was the pink. The pink did it. Oh, that one's cute too. Whatever that was.
This one? You saying this one?
Oh, yeah, that was cute.
All right,
the pink and that was cute. Dang. Loki, could you get it from the angle of the mirror? Is that possible?
I got you.
Because it was looking so good. Oh my god, I fuck with that. Oh my god. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm excited. Oh my god. Come look right now. Sorry. Come look, hurry. Sorry, I don't mean to rush you. I'm so sorry.
Oh yeah, I like those.
These are cute.
Yeah, these go crazy.
Okay.
These go crazy.
Ooh.
Yeah, these go crazy. I mess with these.
Okay. I like that. I really like that. I like that first picture so freaking much. Okay.
Casper.
Ooh, that's cute. I need more pink lighting in my life. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, I like that one. Okay.
Come over in the middle a bit more.
Here?
Right there, yeah, right there.
Okay.
You see that? Oh, you got it. Good.
Ooh, I like that one. Yeah, I like that one. No, I think I'm out of poses.
Think you're out of poses? Oh, you're pooted? It's crazy. Oh, man. Okay, cross your legs.
No, I think I could come up with more.
I get you saying like in your head, like right now, like at this moment.
Yeah, I think I was just like brain farting for a second. Okay, brain fart.
Turn to the side, like this way. Cross your leg, left leg over right. There you go. Cross it for real. Yeah, now turn your torso towards me. And now find something to do with your hands. What feels natural? What feels natural to you? That feels natural? There we go. All right, open your torso up more. Right there. Hold it, don't move. Don't move. Well, I got you.
That's cute. Mama would kill me, but it's okay.
It's basically a bathing suit. I mean, like, would she though? You know what I'm saying? Like, you got a long sleeve on.
She got mad when I posted my bikini picture.
Cause you do got a long sleeve on. Though. I feel like the long sleeve. I feel like the long sleeve
tattoo
helps.
would just.
And it makes sense because it's like, oh, she's showing her tattoo. Like, I don't know. Maybe not.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, that one's cute. That was cute. Okay. Oh, that one was really. That's cute. I like that one. I like my face on that. Oh, I like that. Oh, okay. I like that one. Okay. Cool. I like that one.
You gotta think about it. You do only get 4 too. So it's like when you, cause I have a problem with overshooting and like I'll overly shoot. And then it's like when it comes time for you to choose, it's hard for you to choose. And then you'll be like, oh my God, I have so many photos that are good. I don't know what to choose. So that's why it's like, let me give you all of them because then either way you still have all of them. You know what I mean? But it's like, you know.
You do professional headshots as well?
If you need some of those, let me know. I got my headshot shit right there. But now you get $75 and you get all profiles. You get front profiles, side profiles as well. And then if you need printout or any form of like a comp card or stuff like that, that's like an additional, but the 75 is base. Yeah. Graduations, all that. I'll give you guys a card for you to dip out. I would like this as like it's like giving me like a silhouette idea. Walk forward a little bit more. Boom, boom right there, yeah. Just do you again. There we go. Hold it. Are you wanting this full body or half body? Because I've been doing half, only because I think it looks good. Full body, right?
Wait, let me see half too.
Hold on, let me see.
Oh, that one's cute too.
I'll do full though.
Okay.
Maybe one arm up and not two.
Like.
Maybe like your right arm, your right one.
Like.
The right hand, like up,
Right?
like up. Like, you know how you're having it up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe, and now turn a little bit like there. Like I think that's good. I think that's good. Hold it, don't move.
Okay. Yeah. Oh gosh.
What?
Okay. Oh, that one's cute. Oh my god, I'm 20. That's fucking crazy. Oh, that's cute. Oh wow, that's actually really cute. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna act like step it.
All right, ready?
Let's figure that out, Brittany.
Hold it. One more.
I look like one.
So I want to try it again?
Yeah.
All right, good. Is it better?
Oh yeah, that's cute. Okay.
Any more ideas? Any more ideas?
Yeah.
You said yeah?
Yeah.
You need more ideas.
Yes.
Okay. Because I said any more ideas. But then I thought about what it sounded like I said, probably. And I was like, maybe.
Oh, I could do
start.
something with the rose standing up.
You could do something with the rose, yes. Yes, you could.
I like that one. Hold it. I like that one. Hold it.
Oh, I like that one. Cute.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.